Enjoy the view of this 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a solid, smooth-riding Nissan Pathfinder, the family-oriented three-row crossover with impressive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive. Flexible seating and standard driver assist safety features give you the convenience and confidence to enjoy every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, third row seat, dual zone AC, rear AC, power driver seat, alarm, electronic stability control. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.